Alright, man, we got about 2 minutes to market open. I know I'm loud, but I'm excited today. I'm excited. I just want to get a good setup, bro. I just want to get a good setup. Please, let's get a good setup today. But it is 9/11. I just want to say, rest in peace to all those people. Everything that happened during 9/11. Rest in peace to all those people. Yeah, man. God bless all those folks, all the people that was affected by 9/11 and all that. So, crazy time we're living in. Especially with all the stuff happening yesterday and everything going on. But yeah, like I said, y'all just stay prayed up and stay out of the mess. But yeah, man, let's get a good setup today, bro. Let's get a good setup today. That's all I want is a good setup today. It is CPI day. I think next week is what we really waiting on. FOMC. We can see what's going on with these rates, man. We can turn these rates down, or what we gonna do with them, man? Jerome Powell gonna be on the stand. On the stand is crazy. He gonna be on the podium. He gonna be speaking, so just gonna see what happens there. But yeah, let's see what's going on today, bro. Data high just got taken on on NQ. Could see a move down. Let's see. Tap that 4 hour. This is the only 4 hour that wasn't tapped, but I don't think it's going to need to be tapped. That's one a good setup today, bro. I ain't been able to trade. Then I took this stupid trade Tuesday. Tuesday's not getting me no more. I'm not letting it happen no more, bro. I collected my data, and I see Tuesdays is my worst day of the week. Price pushing up. Past those data highs. The purple lines is data, then the blue lines is previous day highs. That's previous day high, previous day low. Trying to do a little more back testing on there. See, just see what those see how price reacts off those, or how strong the liquidity is in those areas. It's most likely pretty strong, so well, it already created SMT with data, so which that's probably about to be taken out. Yeah, it's gonna be taken out. I just want to have a good day. I want to make some money today, bro. I want to make some money today, but I'm not gonna rush nothing. After Tuesday, I'm more on the passive side. Like, okay, watch what you're doing. Think about everything before you click that button. And I kind of go back and forth with that, because sometimes I try to think about everything before I click the button and end up missing my entry. But I think that's still the best thing to do, rather than being like, okay, I like this. Kind of think about everything and then just click the button. Now you're already in the trade. So, But the S&T is still intact. It didn't sweep it over there. S&T is still in, but I think eventually it gets taken out. I mean, it's right there. I wonder if this fireplace is ever too loud for y'all. I don't know. My view's been going down, but I'm not mad at that. Like, it's literally just a journal. As long as I stay consistent, YouTube will know I'm being consistent. There it goes. As long as YouTube sees I'm consistent, the views will start growing anyway. Like I said, not that I really care too much, but it is really. I'm happy I'm able to come back and watch it and analyze my performance. That's the most important part to me. Just try to see what I was thinking at this moment, at that moment. Man, it's just one of them weeks. It's usually how it be though. Like, at least that's what some people say. If you get 2 good weeks of trading, you're gonna have 2 weeks of bad trading, like bad price action. But I don't really like that. But if only price action can always be good. Yesterday price action was terrible though. Yesterday price action felt like not even bad as August. What was that the other price? I think it was June or July. Man, I think it was July. I think it had to be June. I think it was June. One of those months. Price action was just terrible. It could have even been May. I don't know, but boy, price action was bad. It literally barcoded a lot, but it's just a bunch of chop. But you're still able to find good traders. Are still able to find good setups. I think for me, I'm just wrinkling. Get all these wrinkles out. Get all these kinks out. I'm at just break even stage. If I can just get out of this break even stage, I'll be good. Excuse me. And really, the break even stage is just you taking like Tuesday, just taking unnecessary trades, bro. So once I can just get these unnecessary trades out, which I feel like I got them out. Let me just say that. I think I can get them out. And I'm good now. Like, that we can just make some progress. Finally be profitable. I still got my funded. I know it's only one funded, but I'm working on another one, and I should be able to make good strides to do better. Right, S&T is just basically still in there. It just tapped it, made equal highs. Now we dumping. 2 minute inversion probably. 2 or 3 minute inversion. 3 minute inversion. 2 minute inversion, fair value up. It's an obvious V shape. It's like what that ain't my model though, bro. But stuff like that make me feel like, dang, bro. You know 2 models. You could just trade it, bro, but it's super early in the what's the name, so is it like a 5 minute or something here? Down here, that could be the target. 5. The gaps down here, 5 minute gaps. And I could take an easy little trade right now. I'm gonna get to a point to where I take trades, but as of right now, It's just, I don't know. But downward is literally the motion. Like, that's literally the draw. And I'm just talking about stop taking trades that just willy-nilly trades, but yeah, I ain't gonna take nothing. Ain't giving me no entry, no way. So let's hop on like 30-second watch it. 30-second ain't giving none either. This didn't even give no gap though. It's creating this little 2-minute inversion, and then it might try to come test it and come down. I mean, that draw is super clear. Those down lows, bro. Like, it makes me want to take it, but like that draw is super clear. But set the order, keep dumping down. I'll take some down, but because after this is set up, it might come back. Try this out. That's the highest inversion. Yes. It's gonna go down. Equal highs is a little scary though. It's respecting that 2 minutes though. Sometimes it's best to just jump. No, if you know where it's like, it's just, man, it's just so. But you want to follow your rules, follow your model and stuff. So I know I got to. I just gotta. I definitely like that though. If it would have came test this gap, that would have been a good short down. Why am I getting FOMO? That's crazy. Only because I know the draw is down. And it's like, bro. But you want to still, especially now I'm on, recording myself. I want to be able to look back at these videos and be like, okay, you followed your rules. I want to be able to come back and see that I'm taking the best trades that I know how to take. Even though that would have been a beautiful trade, like, even though it didn't test that gap, because ES come over to test this 2 minute like that, I would have got in. I would have got in up here on this little candle when it was going up. It draws clearly. The data loads. That's a good entry right there. What if it inverses that? That'd be crazy. It just runs up. That'd be wild. It might do that shit. Never know. Most time I just be yapping on this mud, bro. Trying to at least keep folks engaged if they do watch, but for the most part, it does not matter to me, though. It don't matter to me for real. As long as I get me a good trade in, can come back and analyze my thought process, I'm okay with that. What's this on 2 minutes still? Yeah, it is. Oh man. Orb is almost set in 3. There we go. Orb is set. Get some good volume down from here. I'll take that. Data loads will be the target. Give me a good bounce off this. Go down good with some volume. I'll be happy to take that. I'll be super happy to take that. Give me some volume down off that gap. Did I take some to data lows? We don't got nothing at 10, do we? I don't think we do. I think we got yeah, I think natural gas is today, maybe. Yeah, like 10:30 or something. Yeah, natural gas at 10:30. My price gonna go up. Maybe that's the move that it wants. Mark out the 15-minute on there. This eagle highs is a little scary, y'all. I guess you might want to take that out first. Good. The orb on ES is super small. It's even a better trade right there. Oops. It's testing this 5-minute. Probably gonna hit like CE of this 5-minute and go down. This is actually a beautiful trade, bro. I slick want to take this. It's just not the model I want to take. That's beautiful though. 5-minute inversion. Literally 5-minute inversion. Bro. Psst. This is a good trade. If that was like a more clean S&T though, I'd take it, but that's like equal, so seem like it'll be a good trade, but it ain't the model I'm trying to trade no more. So make the right decision. Like it's gonna take it out though. Take out this high. I mean, we still do got that SSMT, but let me see. And I just created SMT right here. But I like this to the downside right now, I'm not gonna lie. But no, I'm not gonna take that. With this 5-minute gap, it looks perfect though. It's all internal, like it's not even ain't like it's external SMT that I know of actually. So I guess it's not that clean, but it's not my model anyway, so I could be totally wrong here. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. I don't know. But I can see this 5-minute gap being respected. I really can. But I'm gonna wait till some with the orb. Wait for a good orb move. Being entered, like entering over here would be nice. He's probably bouncing right off that 1 minute. No, it's not. I can see a lot of people taking this trade right now, bro. And I want to too, but I just want to stick to my model, bro. Excuse me. It's super early though. I could be definitely wrong about all this. It's just all those confluences. That's why I don't trade that model no more, because it put a lot of guessing into my psychology. I start guessing too much, but it does look good in my opinion. It's just little to no SMT. You got this SMT right here, but it's just like price might want to tap that 1 minute. I don't know. Got a cold, bruh. Why am I cold? Finna get my blanket. Price is sweeping previous day high on ES. Just tapping these in this 5 minute, but tapping this 1 minute. I don't know. I don't know why they make these red, but got literally red gaps. I be forgetting to change the color. It just kind of threw me off for a second. I know it could just be up to the upside today. It could just be upside move. See how that. We can see that. What's the name? I don't know. I'm reactive though. Yeah, I'm working. That's why I'm staying just with the orb. I ain't trading nothing without trading that orb. So I trade the orb. And that's a lot of value to the upside right there with on ES. I'm guessing if we can break 997 with some value, I'll be looking something for the upside. I don't know yet though. We'll see what happens. See what 10 o'clock brings in 5 minutes. And that's an inverse. That's what I don't be. Like if it inverse, so it inverse 5 minute right here, then we inverse the 5 minute, that inverse the other 5 minute. That's why it's like, bro. Goodness. Look at it. That's crazy. That's why I can't keep trading. I don't know. That's why I feel like I would see stuff like that and I'd be discouraged to keep trading 5 minute inverses and just inverses period and CISDs, and because for a lot of times and people can say it's a skill issue or whatever, but I feel like I was losing those trades too much. I was taking too many L's on those trades. Till I started the orb. I mean, took a lot of guesswork out of it, and I've been taking way better trades. But you mean to tell me this gap get inversed by this candle, which created a gap, and now it's gapped. I mean, well, it didn't create with a gap, but so. I don't know. It still got inversed. It got disrespected. No, I really want to find a banger today though. I want to get a banger trade. Stay confident in my setup, in myself. So I can take this payout, man. I ain't rushing nothing though. I'm gonna take my time, man. I ain't gonna like. I'm gonna let. It needs to be an A+ setup. I know what A+ setup look like for my model, so. What I'm taking. From now on, that is what I am taking. I'm not taking none that ain't my setup. Is it a run up day? It's looking like it because ES is running up. I just need NQ to start following behind. It's already previous day high. They at all time high. The ES at all time high. So if it can give me some volume, one thing that would scare me is this 5 minute, but I don't know. That 5 minutes buy support, I can see that pushing price all the way up. if it wants to come back at some point. NQ just lagging behind though, man. Creating this SMT is just, I don't know. I could take this out though. The data high. Oops, I didn't do that. I mean, ES is literally just respecting every gap it creates. It's definitely a stronger asset right now. I don't know why NQ so slow right now, bro. Oh my goodness, that last couple weeks, that little middle week of August, bro, this setup was presenting itself so nicely. I want that to come back. Excuse me. And this presented itself a couple good times this week. It's just actually execute the best I'm supposed to. Yes, running up some more. That literally was the only gap. I feel like if it takes out that SMT, this SMT that's in here right now, we definitely running higher. But the way NQ moving, man. But I don't know. Maybe I don't know. Maybe ES just making a push. Going high to go low. I don't know. I ain't training that orb though. Not no more. I ain't doing that. If I take anything, it's gonna be outside that orb. I'm like, yes, I created 2 5-minute bullish gaps. Like it's slowing down now though. Oh, excuse me. Oh man, I'm not liking this. Golly, bro. I just gotta protect my capital. I don't know if this is because the FOMC being next week or what. This is not it though. I don't like that wick. I really don't. Only thing is, excuse me, price is gonna eventually test these gaps. I wouldn't be surprised. Feel like I'll be at the end of a run just cause ES, but See, my screen just froze. There we go. I wish you'd stop doing that. I gotta fix my posture. I'm doing this. Maybe you just want to liquidity sweep it. Is this reversal or is this just ES trying to take them 5-minute gaps? Like, what is it? You got 1, 2, 3 5-minute gaps. And ES has, NQ got literally nothing. No gaps at all. I guess just a little small, but not small. That ain't nothing. It's a 2-minute, but bro, I don't know why I'm cold, bro. Cup. Ooh. Shoot. Cold in that mud, y'all. I'm cold right now. That's much better. Fucking cold up in that mud. I wish that fireplace was real behind me. I'm in Florida, ain't supposed to be cold like this. It ain't cold outside most likely. But we do keep our house a little cold. Something like it's disrespecting that. Give me a good push up, bro. Like let's switch the volume over here to NQ. Hopefully like 10:30 I can get like a setup. A good setup. And the market keep freezing. I can't really gauge what's going on right now. Like I could assume ES might respect any of these. It's 3 5-minute gaps right here. And this long run up. I don't know. I don't know, bro. It wasn't even a 5-minute close above any of this. The orb hasn't closed above at all yet. Ten candles. Mm-hmm. It's just. It's a whole week of no setups, basically. It's like an unnecessary loss. Usually Thursdays is my best days, though. I think structure is starting to shift, though, for sure. Well, we got yellow folder news in a little bit at 10:30. The natural gas that took me out a couple weeks ago. I don't know what's been going on with EQ, bro. Golly. I mean, EQ just been like, oh my goodness. Like, this week gonna end up Well, hopefully, you know, I ain't gonna say it is, but we could literally end red just because, like, off of one trade, well, two, basically, but one trading day. Cause I just I can't get it set up. I ain't got it set up for the whole remainder of this week. I took that loss Tuesday, but I ain't been able to capitalize off nothing else. Cause NQ, it's literally like, look at it, bro. Like, there's nothing I can do. You still in the range, still in the order, and we just slick chopping, bro. Like, I don't know what the heck been going on. Like, NQ just literally is just not delivering. It's just not delivering, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, maybe I can start taking this on ES, because that would have been nice. That would have been good volume right there. Took the retest right here and ran up, but I don't know, bro. I don't know what's going on, bro. Sorry. Starting to deliver out that gap. Well, that tells me these other ones could possibly be breakaways until I guess later on. I don't know. Here we go again, bro. Just another no trade day, probably, bro. Hoping next week could be better. I know we got FOMC. What all do we got next week? Hopefully there's something better than this. No news Monday. We got Empire State Manufacturing Index, orange folder. Finally got some news on a Tuesday. Core retail sales and FOMC. Oh, that day is gonna be unprobable though. It's probably gonna be a little slower because of FOMC the next day. Yeah, FOMC at 2 p.m. the next day. So, I mean, Tuesday should be maybe okay. I don't know, but that morning for FOMC ain't gonna be nothing. Ain't gonna have nothing going on. So I will not be trading that. Finally see what this rate gonna look like. I think after we figure this out, if they figure this rate, then we can finally start getting some good setups. So then on that Thursday we got unemployment claims, Philly Fed Manufacturing Index, natural gas again. Then on that Friday, so no news Friday. Which is subject to change basically, but probably just no trade, bro. I don't know why NQ it's just not delivering, bro. Now we just chopping. Like, price don't even know if they want to respect this 5 minute or not. Just chopping, bro. What's been going on? No, I was definitely wrong about that first 5 minute inverse. Right here. I was expecting price probably come up, push this, and go down, but heck no. I was definitely wrong about that. Wait, that's not the one I'm talking about. That's the news. I'm talking about this one. I was expecting price to come in here and push down and try to go get the London. I mean, not the London lows, but the data lows. Like, nope. Just no movement. I don't know. Like, can somebody in the comments tell me what's going on? Like, golly. Like what's going on, bro? Like, it's literally been no setup the whole entire week. Like, Tuesday was literally, I lost for no reason because it wasn't a setup there. I just got manipulated by news. Like, and not paying attention to the time in the news, basically. But, or not even news. They wouldn't even know news that day. It was just 10 o'clock to open. The 4 p.m. candle, or not 4 p.m., but 4 hour candle open. That's the only thing happened. I guess natural gas is putting a little volatility in the market finally. Here he goes. Freaking, I don't know why my shit keep freezing. Bro, come on, bro. I don't know why that keep happening. mean, dang, was price really just waiting on natural gas or something to come out? I mean, I'm liking this push up. I'm not gonna lie to you. Big 5 minute though. I don't know now. Yeah, honestly, I would like for you to come test the gap first. No, it's being created. Never mind. I don't know, I think NQ just lacks the volume, bro, at this point. We finally getting the breakout, but I'm just not I don't know, I'm not liking the way it's looking on the breakout, so. The only thing is it can always come back down. Oh, okay, create another 5 minute. It's creating another 5 minute. Me personally, I would want it to come back down and hit support. Maybe tap this scalp. I mean, I do got this gap, but it's just not the size I would want to see. I would typically take this right here, but that's just not the size I want to see on that gap. All I want is to come down. But yeah, I'm good on this. Could be a good trade, but I'm just, I don't know, bro. Lacks the volume I want to see. Yeah, I wanted to come tap this. It could respect this 1 minute, and I just have to, be out for the day. But if it come down and hit support, make this resistance support, then I'll jump in. But excuse me, I just don't think it's gonna happen, to be honest. It could, but I don't know. If I do get here, I'm getting even light size. If it does decide to come down. Where's that 5 minute here? Like it's just about to create another 5 minute gap. So I mean, I honestly would like to see that. I mean, I wouldn't be mad at that. Alright, 5 minute got created right here. Honestly, wouldn't be mad if it tested that. That's it. If it tests that, I'm not mad at that. I'll take that. The price like it might just keep respecting that. I don't know. But I just need a good pullback. But I don't know. Price might not give me a good pullback. And the only thing is like then it could either come all the way down. I don't know. I might just stay out, bro. I might stay out. There goes the pullback I want, but I'm just not liking the area. Yeah, I'm just like, let me see. It might be where I want to get in though.
Order filled.
Let me see. I'm in at 006. Might not be the best trade. Kind of impulsive, y'all. Probably not the best trade, but just going for a little. I'm protected by a lot of gaps though, bro. That's the only thing. Alright, I got my stop it. Oh, down here. Let me see. Matter of fact, move my stop to about right there. I don't know. I'm actually not liking this though. Yeah, like, is it gonna respect this or what?
Order filled.
I don't like it, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm just this just don't look good. I can probably get a way better entry. It just I don't like this, bro. I'll take my little $80 loss, but it just don't look good. It's so much to go tap that gap. Now it probably could be running up. Now it probably could be running up. Cause that's the gap I really want to see it tap. It's too eager to trade right now. I wish price would give me good setups, but it's just not giving me good setups. It's just so many gaps below that I just don't. It's irking me, bro. It's irking me, bro. So I just don't feel like this is A++. So I mean, I should just kept it on, but and see what happens. But do I think price want to go up? Yeah. I think Lennox asking me at the door when she want to go outside. Here I come, mama. I mean, it's not like it created a gap downward. So I probably should have just stayed in, but I wish price would give me like those clean setups, bro. It's just not. And it's like it's kind of late in the day. I mean, my psyche all messed up right now. It's just too late in the day, and the volume is just, it's throwing me off. I mean, but it did tap that gap that I wanted to see it tap at first, but at 5 minutes below. Oh, that's a 1 minute. I think the long is in play though, I'm not gonna lie. Glad I got out of it. It was just so many, it's so much. Yeah, I'm glad I got out of there, bro. There's just so many gaps below, bro. Where it's like, I don't, it's just, on the 5 minute, we had this gap. On the ES, you got hella 5 minute gaps. Like, we in this 5 minute, it could hold bullish, but price over here in ES has been very strong. So it's like, it could want to come down and more than what it was just at, and then it could want to come down and test these. Like, it's just too, I don't know, bro, it's too overextended. So happy I stayed out though, obviously, so I would have got stopped out. Thank God I got out of that. I'd have been down $500 something. You just never know what price we're going to do. I'm gonna be mad at taking shorts now though. Price probably. Shorts actually don't look too bad right now, I'm not gonna lie. But it's so much there, I just can't take it, bro. I don't know. I'm doing some Texas Roadhouse. My lips is chapped. I think shorts hit here. I ain't gonna lie. It's looking good short. Yeah, I wish I kind of would have took that, but because that was been a beautiful reverse orb. Dang, I kind of missed out. I was thinking about taking it, but I didn't know for sure if I wanted to get anything else. Ow. Shorts look good right now, bro. I kind of wish I would have got in. I just wish price wouldn't take so long to give you sit up. It's just hey, you can't force price to do anything. So I feel like it's almost 11. It's probably that time for price to just kind of just chill for the rest of the day. I'm glad I got out of that one trade though. The only thing is, bro, ES could just be respecting this 5 minute. Literally, it could just be respecting this 5 minute and going back up. So I would have prematurely got in there like super early, thinking it's just gonna run up. Nah. So I'm just glad I got out of that. And I can come back and watch and see. Like if it's 5 minutes, like yeah, it's easy to look for a pullback for 1 minute, but if there's 5 minutes there, a pullback, you could be getting in early if you just getting in on a one. If it's 5 minute gaps, and I'm getting in on a 1 minute pullback to like a 1 minute gap, like I did here, then you know it's not that good. Or matter of fact, was that a 5 minute on here? What is this gap? Oh, so that was a 5 minute. Okay, so price tried to get me, but it was this other 5 minute gap that's in here that it's trying to get to. So it's just difficult. It's difficult. Right? Well, it ain't difficult. It's learnable. That's what I'll say. It's learnable. So that's the thing. When it's a bunch of 5 minute gaps, I need to just stay. If it's 5 minute gaps, I need to just stay and wait for 5 minute pullbacks. Because right now I really don't know. I think price wants to go up. I think price wants to go down. So therefore, they're just gambling at this point. But I'll take my little $80 loss today and call it. I already been on here almost an hour and a half, I think. Yep, hour and a half on the dot. Oops. So it's disrespecting that. So he just want to pull back this one. I thought it would be nice right there, but no. I'm gonna conquer these markets though, bruh. As y'all can see, they do a lot of. Well, I won't even say it faked out or nothing. I think it definitely won't go up now, but I just want to test this gap. I think I'm gonna hop off though, y'all. Call it a day. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Y'all stay blessed. Keep God in your life. Pray for others. Love others. Tell somebody y'all love them. And yeah, man, y'all stay blessed.